Let's look at the wonderful science projects that the SS students have done.
Look at here. This is the car parking garage system. When the car enters inside, this opens. This opens. First, we should connect the wire of this motor. After connecting this will activate motor. This motor has much power to lift the car. When the car enters here, it will raise up. When we accelerate, it will go inside and turn it. After turning, this will close it. Then, after one day, this charges around 350 rupees for parking for one day. After completing one day, I will change the motor wires of the servo station. It will up. After one day, I will remove this one. Like that, in the one day, if many car comes, I will earn thousands of lakhs of rupees. Like I coming to my next one. This is called Tesla coil or red and white. This was invented by Tesla. When we attach this wire to the inside of the ball. After seeing wireless. It's a wireless connection. There is no battery inside. It's a wireless connection. When it is, if you want, it's a wireless connection. You can see it. It's a wireless connection. Okay. When I came to my next college, you think that this is a smart watch. It is a cost watch. Around 10,000. The watch cost. When the robber came to rob this. I think I'm a robber. I will say, hey, the buzzer will off. I think I'm a robber when I take this pistol off. So thank you.
Dan dia nak obstacle avoiding. Dan dia nak salah.
Many students have done excellent science projects. Some students showed how blood testing works and explained its importance in hospitals. We also saw a volcano model that erupted beautifully with lava flowing out. Another interesting project showed how smoke can come out in perfect rings. It was interesting to watch. One group observed a leaf in close-up using a microscope and explained the tiny details we usually cannot see with our eyes. You can find some of these science projects in the links as well. Do check the description below. Next, we saw projects about the states of matter and students explained solids, liquids and gases with clear examples and experiments. Then we saw one more volcano and this time we could see it working live in front of us. There was also a machine built completely from scratch using wood and plastic. The students explained how they designed and assembled it step by step. We even saw a project based on ISRO rocket science, inspired by the great work of Indian Space Research Organization. It was very interesting and inspiring to see young minds interested in space technology. After that, we moved to an electric bell project and an earthquake detector that showed how vibrations are measured. There was also a science based game that made learning fun and interactive. Then we saw a project on lungs that clearly demonstrated how we breathe and how our lungs expand and contract. Next, we saw a working windmill and a water filter project that showed how dirty water can be cleaned. Another group worked deeply on a leaf project and explained its structure and function. Some students even built an air purifier to show how polluted air can be cleansed using simple materials. Then we saw an electric circuit project that explained how electricity flows through wires and lights up a bulb. And coming up next, we saw a cooler made with a box and an electromagnet. The students explained how it works and how cooling can happen using simple principles. After that, there was one more water purifier project.
So we get free delivery. As per month, we can earn many thousands of
Yeah,
dollars.
but how do you know that one day or 2 days? Yeah, but how will you know? Is there any device?
Then this I completely go ahead with the machines.
And so like your star is ended at 10 o'clock. It will go after 3 days. So it has this 350 plus 350 plus 300, right? So how will you know? You know that it has been there for 3 days. No, then you are going to say this is automated, right? Automatic control. Actually, it should be able to control the timer. Exit time, right? It is attached to a timer. Timer will know that how many number of hours and then calculate. So what is the way you get it? Now, what is the way?
Then the final circle completes. When the final circle is busy, the few machines are
Smart right? So what is an outside application? Suppose let's say you want to make this as a running model. So you have indicated, right?
Otherwise, all of them.
All your sweet packet just now. Not
Extra
yet.
calls. When it comes here, we go to wireless. Because copper, copper call and secondary call, primary call. Primary call and secondary call.
What is this?
This is the
You told me about
thief
it.
alarm
This one I did.
We also saw an interesting experiment where petrol and thermocol were mixed to create a strong glue-like substance. Then we saw smoke bubbles floating in the air, and another volcano model, and a big working fan. And the detailed project showing the organs in the brain and their functions. And with that, we come to the end of part 1 of our science projects. See you in part 2. Subscribe and don't miss the next exciting projects.